Hello and welcome to MahindraGuru.com's official YouTube channel, and here I am back again with a new session of End of Confusions for ending all your doubts and queries regarding the topic calendar. Definitely today we are going to discuss the topic and clear your doubts by the topic calendar. Part 2 is mentioned over here because before also we have shared a part 1 with you all. So if you haven't seen the part 1 yet, do not forget to see it before watching this session. Moving further with that, but don't forget the subscription of our YouTube channel, because by subscribing our YouTube channel only, you will be able to get all the videos, notifications and our video alerts easily and frequently. Now talking about the thing what I am going to discuss with you all today is, what if a question is asked about finding the repetition of any calendar? Now see candidates, what a problem arises with you all is, you know how to find out the day from the calendar part, or the question when it is asked to find out any remaining day or which day was this on this so and so date. But if the question is asked for repetition of a calendar, many myths and many doubts comes in our mind. So today I will be clearing this doubt with a short trick and a short method which I am going to tell you further. But do not forget what we are discussing today is repetition of any calendar. Let's say 2016 if we talk about. So if it is asked when 2016 will repeat itself or when any of the year. So these kind of questions comes under the repetition of any calendar question. Now let's check the condition first. What we have to do now? The question arises, how we will find out? So here comes the problem ending solution to you all is, just first of all obtain remaining number of days called odd days. Yes, we have to do it because we have to find out remaining days or odd days to move further with the answer or solution. Now how we'll find out? Now the question comes how? So this is the answer for you all. Divide the given year by the value 4. Yes, what I was just telling you, to obtain remaining number of days called odd days. So finding out odd days will be the solution by dividing the given year by 4. That means any given year value has to be divided by 4. Then after dividing, we will be getting some remainder? Definitely, because whenever we divide any number by the quotient itself, it gives us the remainder. So now we have to find out the remainder. After getting the remainder, now this is actually the trick for you all. You just have to follow this mentioned table. Whatever shown in this table, you have to learn it, remember it, and by this you will be getting all your answer. And how to apply this? But before, just listen to the point. You have to learn the table, check it by yourself, and then come to the conclusion whether it is applicable or not. So I'll read it out for you all is, what the trick we are going to use is, remainder whenever we are getting 0, 1, 2 or 3. And why I have taken only these 4 numbers 0, 1, 2 and 3? Because the condition is whenever you divide any of the year by the value 4, maximum times you get the remainder 0, 1, 2 or 3. So if we are getting the remainder as 0, 1, 2 or 3, we just have to add on the mentioned years in front of the remainder. That means if I am talking about I got a remainder of 0. So if I got a remainder of 0, I will be adding 28 years to the given value of the year. XYZ. We'll be taking the examples to make you all clear very nicely. But before that, just pay attention to this table part. If I am getting a remainder 0, I will be adding it 28 years to the given year. Next, if I get the remainder as 1, I would be adding 6 years. Next, if I get the remainder as 2, adding up will be of 11 years, and with the remainder 3 again adding up of 11 years. Now this remainder 2 and remainder 3 count us to add 11 years as same. Do not forget, I am telling you all, we are sharing tricks with you all. You just have to follow the tricks, check on the questions and then start following it. Now you just have to learn this table: 0 for 28, 1 for 6, 2 for 11 and 3 for 11 itself. Now how to apply? Just we'll check it with the calendar of this year itself. When I take an example, find when calendar of 2016 will be repeated. So the method applicable 2016 divided by 4 will be giving us the remainder of 0. Yes, because 2016 is completely fully divisible by 4. So I am getting the remainder as 0. Now when I am getting the remainder as 0, according to this table, I am supposed to add 28 years to the mentioned year. Mentioned year means 2016. Yes, because we have to find out in this question when 2016 will be repeating itself in future. So following the box, we will add 28 years in 2016. So our answer will be 2044. Directly we will be getting the answer. You don't have to count this year, this day, then remaining days. Just apply the concept of dividing the year by 4, getting the remainder and adding up the years mentioned in this box itself. Checking for the next one. Find when the calendar of 1993 will be repeated. So when I talk about 1993, again the same process, 1993 to be divided by 4, and when 1993 will be divided by 4, remainder given to us would be 1, and when I am getting the remainder as 1, according to this box concept, I would be adding, yes, 6 years to 1993. So accordingly to the box, following the box, just directly add 6 years in 1993. So our answer will be 1999. So just remembering once again what I have told you, you have been given with the year value in the question. You just have to divide it by 4. Second step. First step, you are reading the question, getting the year value. Second step, dividing it by 4, getting the remainder. And when you are getting remainder as 0, 1, 2 or 3, just learn it. For 0 you have to add 28, for 1 you have to add 6, for 2 you have to add 11 and for 3 again 11. Just learn it and apply it. Getting the answers just by adding is very easy process to solve this question, and this question always creates a problem for you all whenever you are solving any exam paper or by practicing sessions or anything. So just learn this table and follow the approach. So lastly, just leaving you a question for you all so that you can check it itself and get the answer and let us know whether you are able to apply this trick or not. So what you have to do is find when calendar of 2007 will be repeated. Just you have to find out 2007 when it will be repeated. Simply 2007 divided by 4, then so on the table process. Now one thing with this I would like to tell you is I am telling when 2007 will be repeated, or say I am asking to you all when 2007 will be repeated in future. But when 2007 got repeated itself, that means which year's calendar was repeated in 2007? Simple. When we are talking about the future, we are adding. When we'll talk about the past, we'll subtract. But here you have to talk about the future. You have to find out about the futuristic answer. That means you have to find out when 2007 will repeat itself. So just follow the method, follow the approach, add up and do let us know what answer you got. So just comment on this video and let us know your answers so that I'll be able to know you have got the trick or not. A very simple and short trick I have discussed with you all in this session. Do not forget to like this video, because liking and commenting make us do more better in our next session, in our next video. Do share our video also, and subscription part. If it was left in starting part, you don't have to go it again to the starting screen, starting slide. You just can click on this subscription button and become a subscribe viewer. With this, I just end up by saying your success is our success. Thank you.